This is for face. Make it oval.
Sir, it's a dinosaur.
Is a dinosaur. The face head. Okay. And I make the body.
Sir, after this
It's also
you are drawing.
yes. You can draw and make it oval. It's also oval but big oval. Okay. It's a big oval. Okay. Okay. And I just join this one. Okay, here. This circle and this circle just join like this. 1, 2. Okay. See, like this. 2. And make it tail like this. 1. Okay. One and 2. Okay. Rajiv, Srijan, understood beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, reverse.
Okay. So next tips, I draw next tips.
Yes, sir. You can.
So we can go ahead to make it 1, 1, 2, 3. Make like this. Okay. See, I make like this. 1, 2, 3. And put here circle. Eyes like this. And make her body. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Like this. Make it the body something like that. Something like. And make it. This is the structure of body. You can make something. Yeah, here is the nose. See the nose. And make some teeth. Very fun. Small teeth. Okay. It looks like a swimming now. But we make the leg, okay? How to make the leg? Very simple. First, I make one line like this. one line like this. And I erasing this inside line, the circle. I erasing the inside the circle. Okay. I erasing this.
Okay, sir.
Make the leg. Two legs over here, one leg. Like I make one circle, two circle like this. How to make leg? How to make leg? One circle, two circle. I make leg like this. One circle and two circle. And I add it and make like this. Okay, it is running. And here also one. See, 1, 2 and curve. Okay, 1, 2 and curve. So it looks the characters is okay, it's running. I add some scenery in this drawing. Okay. So I make this big leaf because this is jungle. I make the big leaf. See how to make the leaf like this. I make the leaf like this. Okay. I make the flower. Okay. This is the leaf. You can draw. You can draw your own scenery also if you wish. On PG backgrounds you can draw. I can make something background like this. This is grasses.
Sir, I'm doing the scenery part.
Okay. You can make the Jurassic Park also. I make the stone. Yes. Body and the tail.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, body and the tail. Okay, I'll show you. So this is the head. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and this is the body. And join the head and body, right?
Yes, sir.
And make it tail like this. 1, 2. Understood? And leg here 1, 2. This is the leg. So I make here trees. चलेगा ये चल रहा है So we can create more So I can make here the uh, land, make the tree, the coconut tree like this. Make the coconut tree like this. Okay. How to create that scenery. Okay.
Sir, after this truck, we will do a drawing.
Yes. And make a hill. Make the hill station. You know this, the volcano. Make the volcano. Because this time is the volcano is there. Now also volcano. Hill is here. There.
Also, so quick.
Sorry, Peter. Take time.